In this video, I'll show you how to resolve LG TV Wi-Fi connection issues. Step 1 is to restart your TV and router. Turn off your LG TV and unplug it from the power source. Restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for at least 30 seconds. Reconnect your TV to the power and try connecting to Wi-Fi. Then step 2, reconnect to the network. Go to settings, network and then Wi-Fi connection. Select your network and enter the password again. Test the connection to ensure stability. Step 3 is to update your firmware. Check if there is a firmware update on your LG TV. Go to settings, general, about this TV and then software update. Install any available updates so you won't get potential bugs. This can also help you with your Wi-Fi connection. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please subscribe and like. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. I'll try to help you.